So one of the challenges we face in storms like this is something called hidden faults. When the wind blows through, and more importantly, the objects the wind brings with them, debris, trees and things like that, we might have a long overhead line that feeds off to lots of different houses and lots of different homes. As soon as that line goes dead, then we know that customers are along this line, say A and B and C, they all lose power, and we call that an incident or a fault. But what might be happening now, even though the line's dead, we might have further damage occurring, but because the equipment's already dead, we're not sure about that. So we restore supply to the network, and we think A, B and C are all back on supply. But at that point then we re-look at the fault again, and we have new incidents. So what that might mean for some people is, initially, we think they're back on them, until we've actually made it live again, and we find there's additional damage being caused during the dead period. And that's when you'll be brought into a new fault or a new incident. If you're still unsure and you want to let us know, you can still call us on 105 or use our website.